Each of us has faced the problem of time shortage. We look at those who manage to accomplish a lot and wonder how they do it. It seems as though they have a secret superpower. But in reality, it all comes down to time management and prioritizing correctly. Today, I'll tell you how, in just 1 month, you can improve your productivity and start taking control of your time. The first step is to become aware of where your time goes. Throughout the day, we often get distracted by social media, idle conversations, and small tasks that, at first glance, don't seem significant. Try recording all of your actions over a few days, even the smallest ones, to see how much time is wasted. You might be surprised by how many hours are spent on things that neither benefit you nor bring you closer to your goals. This is an essential step toward understanding how you can optimize your time. Once you see where your time goes, the next step is to set priorities. The most important rule of time management is not to try and do everything at once. You need to learn how to rank tasks by importance. There's the 80-20 rule, which says that 20% of your actions produce 80% of the results. This means you need to focus on the tasks that will bring the most benefit and avoid spreading yourself thin trying to do everything at once. Distribute your tasks by priority levels. For example, divide them into 3 categories: important and urgent, important but not urgent, and neither urgent nor important. Tasks in the first category should be done first, while tasks in the third category can be postponed or delegated. This will help you concentrate on the main things without getting caught up in minor distractions. Another important time management tool is planning. Start by creating a daily schedule. But don't just jot down your tasks in a notebook or app. Set specific time slots for each task and try to stick to this schedule. For instance, if you have a task that you plan to spend an hour on, set a timer and don't get distracted until the task is completed. It's also helpful to use the Pomodoro technique. This method involves working intensively for 25 minutes, followed by a short 5-minute break. After 4 such sessions, take a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. This method helps prevent fatigue and maintain a high level of concentration throughout the day. Try it, and you'll notice how much your productivity increases. Another crucial aspect of time management is the ability to say no. Often, we agree to tasks that don't benefit us simply because we don't want to say no to other people. Learn to say no to tasks that don't lead you toward your goals or interfere with completing more important tasks. This will free up time for more productive activities. Additionally, it's important to allocate time for rest. Yes, rest is an essential part of a productive day. If you work without breaks, your efficiency will start to decline, and you'll end up spending more time on tasks that could have been completed faster. Find a balance between work and rest to maintain your energy throughout the day. Last but not least, analyze your results. At the end of each day and week, evaluate your progress, what you accomplished, how many tasks you completed, and how productive your time was. This will help you see your progress and adjust your actions if something isn't working. Don't be afraid to change approaches if a particular method isn't working for you. Time management is a skill that takes practice, but if you start applying these principles now in just a month, you'll notice how much more productive you've become. The key is not to stop there. Continue to analyze your actions and improve your methods. Remember, time is your most valuable resource, and how you manage it is entirely up to you.